Hi everyone, my name is Amartya and today I am going to be talking about my room automation project. Before me talking about my project and its functionality, let me talk about the purpose behind it. I've always had a dream that I could just lay on the bed and take my phone and turn off the fan and light. So with this project I made that a reality. So now let me talk about the parts which I've used. This is a 4-channel relay board. 4-channel means I'm using 4 relays on one board, and in this box I have an Arduino Uno, that is the brain of the project, and I have a HC05 Bluetooth module and these touch buttons over here. So now let me explain the functionality of each part in making an entire automating system. So as an input, I can give an input through these touch buttons. By touching it, I can turn on and off the appliances. Now for example, let me turn off the light. Turn off the light, that's why it's very dark. By touch, turn it on. So to make this even smarter, and as I've told before, laying on the bed and using my phone, so I've made an app using the MIT App Inventor. This is the app, hope it's visible. So let me open the app. So it says my room automation, and over here I have these 4 buttons for turning on the appliances and for turning them off over here, the smaller buttons. And these are the actual pictures of the the appliances which I have taken, and this is a Bluetooth connect button. So when I press this button, it opens this page and I can just connect to the HC05, the Bluetooth module inside. Now just a second. Yeah, now I don't think it's visible in camera, but now it says connected. So now let me turn off the light from here, off, over here, off. Now the room became really dark. Let me turn it on again by touching the this big picture, on. Now maybe another example I can give is that another bulb which is over there, not visible, but just turning on the bulb. Now there's more light. Turn on the bulb, turn it off. So yeah, this is the app which I've made. So that is the controlling. Now I've came across a problem. That is, suppose someone is using this tablet and someone is using this touch buttons. Now suppose if I give an input of high for the tube light and the other person gives input of high again, then what's going to happen? Then for that, to solve that problem, because a lot of clashes were happening between the touch buttons and the tablet or the Bluetooth connection, I included an XOR gate functionality into the program, so it manages everything properly. So that's the code which I've written, and also to connect the Bluetooth and use the buttons, etc. Now my Arduino has the inputs. Now what should it do? The Arduino cannot control these big 270 volt or 250 volt appliances by itself. So that's why it's using the help of this relay board. So it gives a 5 volt signal to the relays, which are connected to this main board. An electrician came and he removed everything, and we were able to connect it to the relays because it's pretty dangerous for us normal people to do it. So now, like maybe you've heard like a tuck sound every time I turn it on. Let me show you. That sound is coming from the relay. As it's a mechanical relay, it makes that mechanical sound to connect. So that's how I'm controlling all the appliances. Thank you for listening to my explanation of my room automation project.